Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 3615. Today's date is 28th of September 2025. It's been almost like a night at 9:51 a.m. Sorry, p.m. Sorry, p.m. 9:51 p.m. All right. Okay, so there is a couple of things actually happened wrong today. Okay, first of all, is that I haven't really like I don't know. I don't want to talk about kind of like basically this is in today's really unproductive day. It's not really unproductive day. It's a productive day, but kind of like something the little less productive day. Okay, yeah, but still, it kind of like add value further future in the life. But okay, yeah, it is kind of like a little less unproductive day. Okay, yeah, but also there is also another worst thing is that I ate dinner a lot, like really really lot. Like usually, I like during the night I ate my dinner and like basically this thing I kind of like try to consume little less while in the dinner because only roti. Okay, I don't really eat that much chawal and things like that. But today is chicken, and chicken is like a really good, really great. Just like I can't stand, and I just wanted to kind of like simply, it's, I just, I just wanted to eat that thing, so I just ate all of it. And right now, I'm kind of like a regret right now. Whatever, let's just jump into the question. Yeah. By the way, let's just jump into the question. Okay, yeah, don't talk shit. Okay, what if parallel universe overlap with ours? Oh, that is a really good question. Oh yeah. Okay, so first of all, let's just understand what exactly is this question. But first of all, what exactly is this question, and why am I asking this question to myself? Okay, this is what if question. Okay, yeah. Why am I asking? What if question is a kind of like a simply new way of thinking and thought process of kind of like a simply like when I ask what if question to myself, I just kind of like a simply it this question is kind of like a force me to think about different point of perspective. And when I try to think that, it kind of like a feels really good. It just yeah. Also, the my answer that I'm trying to tell you regarding about this question is not exactly right, or it's not exactly wrong either too. It's my thought process. It is what I know about this particular topic, and I try to mention this thing. Don't consider this is kind of like a right answer, but don't consider it's a wrong answer too. It's a kind of like a simply empty auditorium that I'm trying to kind of like a do a dancing. Okay, do not expect me kind of like a do the dancing really good, but kind of like a somebody is a training kind of like a somebody wheel or training net or kind of like a training place that I'm actually training myself regarding about what is the information that I have and how do I supposed to execute this thing. Alright, yeah. Okay, now let's talk about this parallel universe. See if the parallel universe is kind of like a something overlap with ours, then what would be that? Okay, first of all, let's just understand what exactly is this thing. Okay, yeah. First of all, what is actually parallel universe? Okay, first of all, what is actually universe? Universe means like that the where we are living. Okay, yeah. Like basically, we are living on planet Earth. Planet is a part of solar system. Solar system is a part of galaxy, Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is a part of local group. Okay, yeah. Like a Milky Way, there is a multiple galaxies like Andromeda galaxy and bunch of galaxies combined create local group. Okay, yeah. And local group is a kind of like a part of entire universe. Okay, yeah. By the way, the age of the universe we don't know that. Okay, yeah. So probably this thing it is far more beyond that. So universe is a yeah, get it. It's a one of the kind of like assembly one of the biggest thing that exists in this universe. It's the universe. Okay, yeah. Now parallel universe means like that ki like our universe there is also kind of like assembly another universe. Okay, yeah, which is kind of like a parallelly exist. Okay, imagine a kind of like assembly a fabric. Okay, a sheet. Okay, yeah, a kind of like assembly sheet. Okay, if you spread that sheet, consider this sheet as a kind of like a something our universe. Now you kind of like a something add another sheet. over there, it is kind of like a one sheet is actually parallel to another sheet. Okay, yeah, I'm talking about sheet as SHEET sheet, not SHIT sheet. Okay, yeah. So these kind of like a fabrics sheet are kind of like actually parallel to each other. So if the universe are kind of like something exists like that, so what would be that world? Well, a scientific point of perspective, universe did not merge with any other at all. Like first of all is that we don't know what is actually the universe. Like basically it is far beyond our limitation that we just don't really understand. Like there are so many concepts that we have, like a multiverse and parallel universe and things and that. These are kind of like some imaginary stuff. We don't really have any kind of like a proper evidence regarding about that those universe are actually exist or things like that. Okay, yeah. Now if I try to imagine this thing and this all those things became kind of like a something or kind of like a something imaginative. Okay, yeah. And when I try to imagine things, then it would be kind of like a something, yeah, it would be kind of like a something, depends on how do I supposed to imagine and stuff like that. Okay, but in reality we don't really have any kind of like a proper evidence regarding about the parallel universe or multi-universe are kind of like exist or not. We don't know that we don't know what is actually age of our universe too. So probably is this thing that no, we don't really have any kind of like a sort of evidence, nothing really at all. Okay, yeah, one thing. Another thing is that if like basically the parallel universe is kind of like something exist, and if it is overlap, now let's just understand what is actually meaning of overlap. Okay, yeah. I kind of like give the example as a kind of like a simply a paper sheet or kind of like a fabric. Okay, yeah. This is kind of like a simply it's a is not really associated with this thing. Okay, yeah. Let's just kind of like imagine a Velcro. Okay, yeah. Have you seen Velcro? Probably you've seen the Velcro, but you don't really know what is actually Velcro. Basically, is this thing a kind of like a sticking thing? Like basically, the one part of this kind of like a very harsh, one part is like a bit soft. When they combine each other, it kind of like a something stick with each other. It actually kind of like available in your bag, carry bag, or luggage bag. Mostly, it's actually available in everywhere. Okay, yeah. Velcro. Like basically, if you don't really know, just Google it. You understand very easily. It actually used in everywhere. Okay, yeah. So Velcro is a kind of like overlap with each other. Okay, yeah. So this is kind of like the same thing that our universe and kind of like assembly the another universe will gonna overlap like a Velcro. Then what would be that? What would be the kind of like assembly reality and things like that? Well, if this kind of like a something happened, then probably I don't know, dude. Okay, yeah. Like basically, is this thing that I don't know, yeah. Things might be very crazy. Things might be. It's a very. I don't know. Okay, yeah. I'm just thinking only one. Like in my mind right now, there is only one image that I'm creating right now. There is a movie name. I don't know. There is a kind of like a Hollywood movie name, kind of like a something. Wait, what is actually that? Like the 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 Spider-Man. Wait. Let me Google it. SPIDER Spider-Man. Okay, Spider-Man movie 2002. Okay, yeah. So this is the Spider-Man 1 movie 2002, which is actually released on 2002. Okay, the cast name is Kristen Dustin. Okay, yeah. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, she is a kind of like a heroine. Okay, yeah, actress. Now she actually execute a movie name. Where is that movie? No, nah. Where is this movie? Upside Down. Okay, Upside Down. This is a kind of like a some movie is kind of like a somebody giving all the answer regarding about this question. Okay, yeah. In this particular movie, the kind of like a some imaginary world where two universes are actually colliding or over like a parallel universe actually kind of like a something overlapping. Okay, yeah. So in this parallel universe, both Earth, like Earth 1 and Earth 2, from Earth 1 from our universe, Earth 2 from another parallel universe, are kind of like so close to each other that kind of like a people can go from Earth 1 to Earth 2 because the distance between them is a kind of like a so close, yeah, really close. Okay, now another thing is that there is a kind of like a difference. Okay, because of like basically it's not kind of like a something happened that if I'm kind of like a comes from Earth 1, so I can go to the Earth 2, I can easily survive. No, I can't survive over there because the gravity is completely opposite. Even if I kind of like a touch the surface of Earth 2, I'm actually from Earth 1, I can't be kind of like a stand because my gravity is kind of like a somebody upside down. Okay, so I can't stand there. It's a very cool concept. The way that they execute this movie was really amazing. By the way, this movie is kind of like a very romantic movie. Okay, and it's really good. Okay, but regarding about if I want to give the any kind of like some answer, I don't know, dude. Okay, like basically is this thing, this overlapping universe and things like that. It just science friction and that's it. I don't really see any kind of like some logical explanation, nothing like at all, because universe are not overlap. Like universe is nothing really at all. Like basically is this thing na ki universe is not kind of like simply a piece of paper or kind of like simply a fabric of reality or kind of like a things. It's not. A universe is like, I don't know, dude. Okay, I think that now ki probably. Okay, let me kind of like give you the context. Okay, let me just simple context. Okay, we have solar system. Okay, now our solar system is kind of like a something surrounded by some certain bubble. Okay, and that bubble is kind of like a something so strong that kind of like a something, not any kind of like a something asteroid or anything kind of like a cross. Like what I'm trying to tell you is this thing, just our solar system is actually kind of like a bounded by kind of like a such a boundary that kind of like a somebody, not any kind of like a meteoroid will cross that much. Like basically it's not really that no one cross that thing, it can cross, yeah, but basically there is a kind of like a somebody just a very different thing is actually exists. This is a boundary, is not kind of like a somebody the physical boundary that you could imagine. No, it's a kind of like a boundary that just like very different. It's a kind of like a something that na ki like basically is this saying that ki like there is a one room is light up and one room is dark. Okay, if you went inside that room you are kind of like a light up, if you went to the dark you were kind of like a dark. It is that it's kind of like a thing that na, yeah, you can easily pass through that, but the way that your body feel, the way that the gravity and things feel is kind of like a something very different than. Okay, because beyond our universe, beyond our kind of like a solar system, there is a multiple solar system too. Okay, multiple solar systems are actually exist over there too. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is just our solar system is kind of like a bounded by kind of like a only a boundary that not easily can anyone can cross. So how does universe will not have any kind of like a boundary? They will have kind of like a only boundary that like no one will gonna cross and things like that. Probably I don't know that. I think that this is kind of like I'm just thinking about a frictional point of perspective, which is kind of like somebody just doesn't really have any kind of like a prior or proper answer and things like that. Okay, whatever, I should supposed to be end here. Okay, this is it, and thank you.